Jopiny kwayo mondo ochiw thuolo mar dweche 3 ne jotelo mondo ging'i kaka ginyalo keto e tim wach mar gender balance e pacho kaendi mar neno ni wakeini bende kata kwan mag wakeini omedore e telo. Maendi en jipo ma bende ogol kod Mikai Fibias Siyo kendo kamaendi e kaka oloso.
Take note that not more than 2/3 gender rule must be adopted within the next 3 months of sitting of the parliament. That way, even if they take a whole year, you will have given them the urgency to make sure that it is 3 months, and if they don't, you keep another 3 months. But you don't stop pushing. I realize even with the British government, if we didn't push, we would not have gotten. But because we pushed, we got what we wanted. And even for this new government that started in the year 1963, I call it new because I was there when it came, 1963. I've been part of those people that have been pushing from 1963 until today. And when I look back and trace my steps from 1963, I feel till now, I feel very small. I feel like I've done nothing because there's nothing to show for it. It really breaks your heart when you leave your children alone, go and work so hard and nothing comes. When I tabled affirmative action in the house, a man got up and told me, "You want women to grow horns, you." I don't know what horns you wanted women to grow, but I did tell him that, if women ever grew horns, they'll be horns of peace. Yes. And for that, everybody clapped for me. The bad thing is that the women in the gallery whom we had invited to come clapped, they were chased out of the because you're not supposed to even clap or say anything when you're in the gallery. But then Wetangula was in the chair that day. It allowed us to be the women happy. So thank you. It's going to be hard. But please take it in and work for this country. You will achieve. Thank you for